In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur an image in Wix. Whether you're looking to add a creative touch to your website or simply want it to focus your visitors' attention on certain elements, blurring an image can be a powerful tool. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this effortlessly using Wix. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Wix. You can do this by typing Wix into your search bar and clicking on the first link that appears. This should take you directly to the Wix homepage, where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open up a section where you can manage various features of your site and any associated mobile app. Next, click on Website. This option allows you to delve into the editing capabilities of your site. Essentially, the space where you can get creative and make visual changes. You'll then be presented with an option labeled Edit Site. By clicking this, you enter into the Wix editor, which is where you'll conduct all of your design wizardry. With the Wix editor up and running, direct your attention to the Media option. This is where you'll be able to add a new photo. Click on Media and you'll have access to a variety of images. From here, go ahead and select the image you'd like to blur. Feel free to browse through the available selections or upload your own, depending on what best suits your vision for the site. After you've chosen your image, you'll see a toolbar appear over it. Look for the Filters button on this toolbar at the top of your image. Clicking this option will open up a range of editing features, each designed to enhance or alter your photograph in creative ways. Now it's time to find and select the Blur option from the list of filters. By choosing Blur, you will softly obscure the details of your image, creating a pleasing out-of-focus effect that can bring depth or emphasis to your site's design. Play around with the intensity until you're satisfied with the results. This blurring feature is easy to adjust, so feel free to make tweaks until the image perfectly complements your site. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to blur an image in Wix, adding a touch of finesse and focus to your web page. Remember, features like these are not just about aesthetic. They're also a way to control what your website visitors focus on. As you continue designing your website, keep experimenting with different tools and options available in Wix to enhance your site's visual appeal. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.